Hey, we're here at Mahindra of Greensburg. Today we're looking at a 2538 loader backhoe tractor. The reason we're out here today in the rain is we want to display how the thumb works on the backhoe. We're going to both pick up a log as well as a pretty large size rock here just to display how everything works with the backhoe and thumb combination. On this particular tractor, we're going to be working with a mechanical thumb, which means it has no hydraulic pressure itself. It's just a fixed thumb. So all we're going to do is we'll just open the bucket, then you'll pinch any object that you're trying to scoop up against the thumb itself. So in the event that you want to use the bucket for dirt removal and not use the thumb, what we'll do is we'll flip our bucket down, go ahead and pull a retainer pin just here. We'll take the pressure off of the thumb itself, allow this piece to swing in, pick our thumb up, and return that pin to this hole just up top. Then we'll return our retainer. That way you can use the bucket without having the thumb in the way, so you can get full scoops without any restriction. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to display how to pick up both a log as well as a rock. Obviously they're going to be two separate lifts, but we are going to show you how to pick up both implements so you're not swatting at objects like a bear. First thing we'll do is we'll just flip our stick out, open that bucket at the same time, get everything out there. We'll come in nice and slow. Start scooping in, relieve that pressure, roll it in towards you. Just as easy as that. Then you're ready to place that log anywhere that you need to go, whether it be left or right side, extend it out, wherever you need to go with that load. We'll go ahead and drop it right there, just as it's easy if you need to go for the rock next. Now we've picked up that rock, we're ready to place it wherever it needs to go. So both objects are extremely easy to move. I need to apply quite enough pressure there, so if you add a little bit of pressure, jerk that thing around, it's not going anywhere. You have well over 2,000 pounds of force between the bucket and the thumb itself.